All right, my love, this is an excellent question. And I would implore you to go back to Jamaican greetings, part 1 and part 2. You will find them in the playlist if you want to know how to greet a Jamaican. Now, if you have family members and friends, let's talk about it. Now, one of the ways that you can greet your family members, them, and your friends, your real friends, you can greet your family by saying heart of love. You hear that? Heart of love. I want you to repeat it with me again. Heart of love. You see me? Heart of love. This will be followed by a very special handshake, which only Jamaicans will know. Now, one of the ways that you can greet your friend, your brethren as we would call them, or your sisterin as we would call them, you can say, Wagwan Machaji, Wagwan Brethren, Wagwan Aya. You hear that? Wagwan my brethren, Wagwan my sisterin, Wagwan Aya. We are deal with Machaji. Now, if you go back to Jamaican greetings part 1 and part 2 here on the Jamaican Patwa 101 playlist for Hillman Talk, you can learn all these other different greetings to be able to greet your friends and your family members. So this was one of excellent question that you provided, my love, and I thank you for that.